Diolch o galon. Families across Wales are paying the price for Tory failures on energy bills. Household budgets have been hit harder here by the energy crisis than any major advanced country. The Tories have fallen asleep at the wheel, squandering Britain's advantage on clean energy, leaving us dangerously exposed to global energy markets controlled by dictators like Putin. From floating offshore wind projects in Pembroke to new nuclear in my home of Ynys Môn, the people of Wales have seen projects fail and hopes dashed, all at the hand of this Conservative government. Only Labour has a plan to cut bills, create jobs and deliver energy security for Britain once and for all. A UK Labour government, led by Keir Starmer, will turbocharge plans already underway in Wales to invest in clean energy infrastructure, ensuring that energy profits created in Wales stay in Wales. A UK Labour government working with our Welsh Labour government and building on the work of Trydan Gwyliwch Cymru. A UK Labour government will take back control of our energy supply. We'll create Great British Energy, a publicly owned clean power generation company, paid for by a proper windfall tax on oil and gas giants who have made record profits from soaring bills. Our Team Labour government will bring much needed change to energy. Energy bills will be cut for good, saving families hundreds of pounds a year. We'll create thousands of new, highly skilled, well-paid, sustainable jobs in our green industries, rebuilding the strength of our industrial heartlands. We'll guarantee Britain's energy security so that we're not dependent on dictators like Putin. That is real change. That can only happen with Labour. Diolch.